Hey guys, I got something super special in the mail today. This was sent to me by 2K, so huge shout out to them. This is something about Borderlands 3, and it's also very limited, and I did an unboxing for you guys. Get this open. Shout out to 2K, thank you so much. It's gonna be awesome. It can't be not awesome, is that right? Oh, dude, okay. This is cool. Didn't expect that. Maybe this isn't what I thought it was. But you can see it is a bandit mask. Oh, and it says 217 out of 400. Oh, it's special. Okay. Get this out. That's cool. It's a very cool box. Okay, let's figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. There's a tab at the bottom. Ooh, what is that? Okay, it's metal. It says Gun with Legs, 2019 edition, TEDIORE manufacturing spec, Markus Munitions, Vault Hunter manual, TEDIORE, make it then paint it. Sounds interesting. Comes with free Markus Munitions badge and a set of your favorite gun manufacturing patches. No refunds. That's so cute. And it's got the Markus logo at the bottom. And this is going to be backwards, so I'll put it at the end of the video so you guys can see better like what this actually looks like. But that is so freaking cool. I love that. Okay, what is this next thing? It says Markus Munitions, no refunds. It's a bag full of patches. That's cool. Hyperion, Malwan TEDIORE. That is awesome. And it's got a badge, not a badge, but a pin that says Markus Munitions with his logo. And this is going to be really tough to see. It's going to be like backwards. So I'll put this at the end of the video too so you guys can see. Next in the box, it says TEDIORE Gun with Legs. It's, again, all backwards. Available at Markus Munitions Incorporated. Nice. I'll have that at the end of the video so you guys can see what it looks like normal. Let's get this out of here. So TEDIORE, cute, cute, cute. Oh, nice. Okay, so this side has the mural. That's awesome. You guys can see that. And then the other side has figure 1, 2, and the 3. That is so awesome. One of my favorite guns in the game was a TEDIORE shotgun with legs. It was so good. Okay, and then what I've been waiting for. Here is... I wasn't expecting this to be in pieces like that. You guys can see. Wow. Okay, there's the body. You can see. And it's got 2 little legs. I'll put this together so you guys can see what it looks like all in one piece. This here looks like it might be the... What is that? Oh, it's a scope that goes on top of it. Okay, cool. And then what is this? This is the base. And that goes in there. Okay. I'll put this all together and then I'll have pictures of everything so you can see what it looks like, not backwards. But I appreciate you guys watching. And again, massive shout out to 2K for sending me this. It's, I think, what, 217 out of 400, so it's limited. So that is amazing. But thank you guys.